This is playing with water on a snow day. You want to say hi? This could occupy her for like 45 minutes. We do have to watch carefully because, as you see, that's not the most secure. But what are you doing, Nene?
Water.
Water? Are you cooking? No, of course not. She's doing water. Gonna say hi to anybody? Over here? Nope. She doesn't know why she would. There is nobody. Allie, she just filled it up and tried to drink it, but it tipped out before she got there. Is it delicious or did you spill?